Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you porridge recipe and grow a garden. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have just cooked porridge and grow a garden, and finally I could unlock the porridge recipe on my recipe book. So I'm going to open it. Okay, and then I'm going to choose this porridge recipe. And this is the known recipe for the porridge guys. If you want to cook porridge, you will need corn, cauliflower, and banana for the cream. And for the base, you will need corn, cauliflower, and also banana. The same recipe with the cream. And for the fruit, you can use these fruits like peach, grape, avocado, sugar apple, pear, grand melon, and so on. And you can combine all the fruits to, not all the fruits, but you can choose some of them to create the porridge. You can combine corn, cauliflower, banana, and mango or apple. It's up to you. It depends on the fruits which are available on your garden. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.